hoping for a better conclusion from the coaches is 16-year-old Rosa Iamele.
Here she goes.
Okay.
She's so cute. She's so cute.
I know you're smart, you spin me around like a knot. You know the pieces of my heart. Sometimes it's fun, you pull my strings one by one until you get me onto one. Lately I've been thinking, if you want to get tough, then let's play rough.
Who thinks there's two people?
I've been thinking, if you want to get tough, then let's play rough. I don't need you giving it straight to me, giving it straight to me. You're just gonna get my back. I don't need you.
Come on, come on, Rita.
How to be, telling me how to be. Just gonna get my back. Just noise, white noise. Just noise, white noise. I'm hearing static, you're like an automatic. You just wanna hear me on repeat, hear me crying, hear me
And Ricky did too.
Hello. Hey. I'm Rosa. How are you?
Really, really well. I'm just a bit shocked because I don't know why I didn't press my button. You really, really captivated me. I forgot that I had to press the button. Good job.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
16.
Yeah.
What's your ethnicity?
My mum is Chilean Italian and my dad's English. I got the white skin. I was
Yeah.
like, my sister like is all tan. And I'm
Your sister's tan?
My sister's really tan. My sister's like Rita's color.
My sister's tan too.
Really?
I think you have a lovely, lovely voice.
Thank you.
And it sounds real, warm, refreshing.
Thank you.
You don't sound like anybody else. So, you know, I'd love to have you on my team if you come with me.
Thank you.
Okay?
Hi.
Hi.
I was almost a bit like Rita. I almost didn't press my button because I wasn't really in my head. You'd taken me somewhere and I was still there by the end of the song. And it was like back in the room and I pressed my button. But I think what was stopping me was I thought, I've got too many girls. And so I wasn't turning. And I was like, what?
There's no such thing.
Yeah. I had to just be, what am I doing? Because no one on my team does what you can do, and you're an individual. It doesn't matter whether you're a girl or a boy or whatever. I knew that you have to go through this competition, and I knew that I wanted you to be on my team in this competition. But yeah, I think you're amazing. And
Thank you.
you took me away, and I'm kind of half still there. So, yeah.
You have a great choice between Tom and Ricky.
I don't know who to choose. It's so difficult.
Actually, I think she'll go with Ricky.
Thank you so much, both of you, for choosing me and for your words. But I'm gonna have to go with Tom.
You made a great decision.
Oh, it's beautiful. Really, really beautiful. What's your strength? Okay?
You okay?
Yes. Wonderful. Beautiful voice.
Really good.
Yeah. She's lovely, though. She's a lovely
girl.
lovely singer.
You've got a great one there.
Yeah, she's really something. I thought she would have gone with you.
You're going to be better for her anyway. She needs the experience.
So all's fair in love and war with Ricky losing a pitch to Tom. And when it comes to these two, there's a whole load of love.
I do like our seating arrangement because I do get on quite well with Tom. I still find it incredible that I'm sat next to him.
Yeah!
Ricky. Ricky to me is like one of the lads.
I want to walk 500 miles.
I find myself starstruck by Sir Tom.
How do I go about getting a knighthood?
I can have a word with the Queen, really.
One of the main reasons I came back is him whispering sweet nothings into my ear.
Pardon?
Come back.
I don't talk like that, do I? Ricky can be uncanny sometimes.
It's simply not true, Thomas. Being around you, I get the same feeling as being in a nice library.
Oh.
You read?
I do love Tom.
Yeah!